My name's Elohim, I'm a bartender, and I love to imbibe. This is the channel where I make one-of-a-kind cocktails you haven't had before, and I take simple classics and insert my own special twist for those of you who don't have a full bar at home because, unlike me, you're a well-adjusted human being. That's enough talking. Let's get mixing.
What's up, everybody? We are continuing with our tequila-based cocktails. This week, I am doing a twist on the modern classic, the Oaxacan. I wanted to make a drink that when you sipped it, it takes you home to, or just to those fond memories of you as a kid, or you with your family, or you with your friends. I love this drink. I call it the Angel's Kiss. Let's get started. All right, to begin, we are going to do 1.5 of Blanco Tequila. I am using Kirkland's Blanco because I love Costco. We're gonna do half an ounce of mezcal. I am using bananas. And now we're gonna do just a bar spoon of pure vanilla extract. Two bar spoons of agave. Okay. Now, 2 dashes of the Brothers chocolate bitters. Aztec. Get our ice. Grab our big cube and our rocks glass. Beautiful. And lastly, we're gonna do an orange express. And toss it, you don't need it. Let's taste. Cheers, folks. Yeah. If I was ever kissed by an angel. That was so corny. No, this is a very good drink, though. It's more of a winter drink, I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely like cozy in your blankets with a book, or with your dog or cat if you're a cat person. There are those people. Oh, so good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I will see everyone next week.